Right, this is a remake of the assembly of the undercarriage for the 45mm version of the single balcony. The previous video was a bit of a cock-up, it didn't make sense, so this is like an addendum. So we'll run through it from scratch. It does sort of make sense. So we'll start off, that's your parts laid out. We've got 1, 2 and 2A, 3, 4, 5, and the last one, which doesn't have any numbers on, has got the rivet detail. And the bearings, which you can see there, actually go into number 4. So we'll do an assembly on one side first of all, and obviously the other side is identical. So let's go to number 4. So you take number 4 and drop the bearings in, and the bearings go in on that side. Okay, like that. So they're on the wrong side, you push them into the number. Then you take number 5, lay number 5 on top, so the bearings just locate in. Turn them over. If you do that on the other side as well, so we'll take number 4, drop the bearings in, and take number 5, lay them on top, again so the bearings just pop through, turn them over. So now we go around with the glue as we did previously. Right, so we just stay with this side, so that's 5 on there, then 4 with the bearing, then we have number 3, then we have number 2, then we have number 1. And then on the very end, we put the one with the rivet detail. So that's your assembly for the 45mm one on that side. So we do exactly the same on this side. So we take our 4 and 5, so you turn them round, and we take our number 3 up against him, 2A in this case up against him, and then number 1, and then again on the outer is the one with the rivet detail. And that's how the 45mm one is put together. So I hope that makes sense. The other thing to bear in mind is that with the 45mm, the tang that locates in the ends is on, just get him out a moment, is on this one, which is number 5, and that obviously goes on the outer ones because we've got a wider wheelbase. I would recommend doing what I've just done here as a dry run, gluing nothing in at all, just to make sure you're happy how it all goes together. So hopefully that makes sense. Sorry for the confusion. Thank you very much.